Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you if your high beams do not work on Ford Fiesta MK7, guys, generation 2018-2017, which two fuses you need to check first before you do anything else. Check the fuses before you remove bulbs or anything like that, because that could be the reason why your high beams do not work. So stay with us and let's start on it now. So what we'll need to do, guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it, of course, and the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So you need to squish on both sides towards each other, okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers, okay, and that's how you remove the lid. So you have two fuses, guys, for the high beams. Once you open the fuse box, okay, you have fuse 21 and 17. Okay, right there. So we need to check both of them. One is 20 amp fuse in our case. Okay, this one right there. Okay, this is one of the fuses. You can see it in the light if it's burnt or not. Okay, it's too much sunshine. And the other fuse is number 27. Actually 21. 17 and 21. So, okay, 7.5. And if one of those do not work, guys, okay, your high beams will not work as well. So those are the two fuses that you need to check. Then you get the new replacement fuses, and the 17 amp is number 17 is 20 amp and the other one is 7.5. Okay, and let's see now with the new fuses if the high beams will actually work. Okay, yep, you can see, yep, working right there. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.